YouTube, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Earth Eagle. Really cool. The stats has a lot of stamina, defense, on his wide defense, and attack. So I'm going to be unboxing right now. Really? Gosh. There you go. The instructions for the Beyblade. Stickers. Oh, stickers are okay. The ripcord. Okay, here's Earth Eagle's fusion wheel. Sorry. Really cool. It's like two eagles right there. Earth Eagle baseball. I'm gonna be opening this right now. I'm not gonna take out. Well, I'm not gonna take out the metal wheel last. The 145 black track. It's really cool. The wide defense performance tip. And then need my scissors to cut this open. Got it. The earth wheel is shiny, new. The black grayish tool and a blue. So now I'm gonna have to open the face. I had trouble opening these things. If I just can't open it, I'll just stop the video and record of it. Oh, I'll show you it when I stop the video. This is a hard time. Well, I'm gonna just show you the parts and just connect it like that, and I'm gonna show you the other video. That it's all together. And that's pretty much it. Really cool. I'm not gonna put on my Facebook. And there you go. Thank you for if you watch this, and thank you too. And that's it, pretty much.